A large roasting pan and 3 pots on your hob means pushing and pulling until they all fit. Not anymore. FlexInduction gives you more options to arrange pots and pans. The size and location of your cooking vessels are automatically detected, and as induction heats the base of the vessel but not the hob itself, you can cook anywhere you want on the hob surface. Use it like a conventional hob, or combine 2 at the touch of a button to make 1 large continuous cooking zone. This gives you additional space for positioning round pots and pans with a diameter of 30 centimeters. Or 40 centimeter long roasters and accessories can be flexibly accommodated. Perfect results made easy. This is FlexInduction, the enlargeable cooking zone that gives you more freedom. Bosch, invented for life.